So this is Valgro Hyzer's flat belt grinder. This is used in this case for a 16-inch wide workpiece. Allow us to grind a very flat, accurate lower surface of the part. Customers use it if they cut a piece of pipe and the end is burred and it's not square. They can lay it down on here and have that bottom surface be perfectly flat all the way across and remove those burrs. It can also be used for smaller parts where we want to get a bottom edge that's perfectly flat, remove those defects that'll allow it to grind this nice and even. And being a three-dimensional part, we can't run it through a roller system like our other machines. So this is designed to actually lay the part down on there and let it grind that surface. Here you can see the rough edge, not quite square. Now you can see we've removed all that extra material on there, making the bottom very, very flat. That's going to allow the part mating surface to have complete contact. So very nice. And then depending on how much deformity there is in the base, they just grind for a little bit further period of time. Yeah, you can do the edges as well, right? So being flat and exposed, you can take a three-dimensional part and
upon their stock removal, they need to be more pressure or more time.
Right.
Yeah.
And it's a nice open area. You can put a large casting on here, set it down, and its own weight is going to set it there and allow it to grind. You can take it off. So very open, easy design. Very nice. Saw cut part. You got a really large burr on here. And saw tooth marks, burrs on the inside. Now we've got a nice even flat surface on all four sides. We'll have a little bit of burr remaining, so these can all hit that. So we've got a nice calibrated surface on the end, and then all the large burrs have been removed from the outside. Very good.
And if some customer want to do welding for Q-tube joint, on that time this machine can be work for the V shape also.
Yeah.
So you can try the V shape.
Chamfer the edge.
Yeah, chamfer the edge.
Right, so now we got the clearance for the weld.
So two men can work, one man here and one man here. So really nice, wonderful machine for flatbed grinding applications where customer wants some stock removal and foundry unevenness with 60-80 grit or 120 grit of the belt. Thank you Valgro for developing such a wonderful, affordable grinding machine for casting and large part. Thank you.